Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add profile photo in Instagram. So, whether you're new to Instagram or you recently removed your old profile picture and you want to add a new one, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to add profile photo in Instagram, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. Click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on edit profile. Here, if you see that you don't have a profile photo, click on your profile. From the pop, select choose from library to select photo from your photos app. Import from Facebook to select your Instagram profile picture from your Facebook account, or take photo to use your photo camera to take a new photo and set as your Instagram photo. So in this case, let's go with choose from library. Then scroll through library and then select the photo you want to use as your Instagram profile photo. Then you can just adjust the photo like this. Click on done at the top right. Now I want to hang on a couple of seconds to upload this particular photo and set it as your Instagram profile picture. Then you should see your Instagram profile picture set. Now hit the back button. On the Instagram profile page, you should see a new profile photo added. You set it? So that's going to open your story actually, but that is now your new Instagram profile picture. So that's exactly how to add profile photo in Instagram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.